Two Dow components out with earnings this morning. Amex posts a quarterly beat, results driven by a jump in card spend on a global basis. Verizon's Q1 results essentially in line, but for the full year, the company does see wireless service revenue growth at the low end of 9 to 10. As for AXP, Jim, you said it was going to be important. Q1 card up 35, FX adjusted, travel up 121.
Yeah, look, there are going to be people who sell American Express, and these are the people who have basically said, like, I don't care, sell. If they'd actually read the report or listen to Steve Square, you know that what's happened is this millennial and Gen X, they love the cars. There's a kind of a radical move among a group of people who had never really gone and gravitated to American Express, just saying, listen, we want it. They want the platinum card. I thought it was a remarkable quarter. I mean, one of the best. And people are just like, they're so negative, they don't even bother to read it. There are things happening at American Express. Jeez,
well, I was going to say, millennial spend up 56, Gen X up 37. It was boomers that were the laggard, up 29.
Well, the boomers, yeah. I mean, restaurants up 74%. I mean, look, what you're seeing with Steve is that people are going places and they're doing things. They're no longer sitting home and playing video games, hence the Corsair gaming. The retention is incredible. The number of bad loans is incredibly small. Billings are way up. This is a whole new generation that is using the card and loving it. So I say, hey, listen, go ahead and be stupid and sell it. I'll buy it. Now, you don't necessarily buy it. It'll go down to 160. I don't know. It's just this was a remarkable quarter.
As for Verizon, I think almost every metric was almost exactly in line.
Yeah, all in line. I mean, it's rare to say that AT&T had a better quarter, but I think AT&T had a better quarter.
It did.
By the way, the stock this year for
the guide is
almost
not
9%.
Guide was not great.
No, we know about plenty of competition in wireless, and that will continue. Of course, we haven't heard from T-Mobile as of yet. We'll see what their numbers like. They usually are pretty strong.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about that, and that has been the outperformer thus far in that group of the big three. Let's call it.
They guided the low end of the range for us.
Yes.
Wireless
well, that's why the
revenue.
stock is looking like it's going to open down.
Well. Wait, I'm the king of the obvious here? No, I'm just pointing out.
Key of the obvious. Yeah.
David, shut up.
You tell me.
Is that the new thing?
Is that the new thing? Is that it? It's not very nice.
I love you.
I love you, too.
And now, and Belle, I don't mean any of this.
Yeah, that's my mom. He likes to talk to her as well. They have a separate thing, though.
I love her.
Where they talk.
I have loved her ever since I wanted to fix my late dad up with Belle.